Captain Robert and Quercus Rober as they go down the hill. Milbury's the one isolated to the outside there, not getting any cover at the moment. So it is Jedi Knight with Zivanaya between horses, Milbury on the wide outside, with just in behind the leaders Cool Sea and Cold Henry. They're being chased by Captain Robert and Quercus Rober. Balea River is further back from Edward the Ninth, Curious Mrs. Fox, and second last Capler Davykins. The back marker remains Wood Shaw as they now move into the back straight. So they're about to go down the far side, just less than 1.25 miles to cover, and it's Milbury taking on Jedi Knight for the lead. Those two are about a length or so in front of Zivanaya in third. Just in behind the leaders Cool Sea from Cold Henry, Captain Robert, Quercus Rober. Then Balea River still halfway down the field from Curious Mrs. Fox and the red and white stripes on the inside of Edward the Ninth, Capler Davykins and Wood Shaw the last two. So it's Milbury now moving into a narrow advantage, no more than half a length between Milbury and Jedi Knight. Those two followed by Zivanaya and Jason Hart in third place. Cool Sea 4, Cold Henry 5. Captain Robert and Quercus Rober are the next two. They're being followed by Balea River, Jack Mitchell's mount still in mid-division. Then the mainly white colours of Edward the Ninth ahead of Curious Mrs. Fox, Capler Davykins and Wood Shaw. So they go towards the final 5 furlongs. Milbury and Jedi Knight still stride for stride by just over a length to Zivanaya. A length away is Cool Sea in third place. The red and yellow of Cold Henry is in fourth, just been nudged along now as Captain Robert is driven by Jack Dougherty in behind them. Quercus Rober, no serious move for that one in the hands of Cam Hardy. And Balea River is next, chased by Edward the Ninth, and further back to Capler Davykins, Curious Mrs. Fox and Wood Shaw. The leaders are at the top of the straight, just over 3 furlongs to go. Jedi Knight and Milbury the front pair, followed by Zivanaya. Quercus Rober now been asked to pick up from Cold Henry. Balea River, and on the near side running real Edward the Ninth is beginning to pass horses, heading down towards the final 1/4 mile, and it's getting quite serious up front now with Quercus Rober now moving on from Zivanaya, Edward the Ninth, Balea River in the gold and black jacket, and further back to Jedi Knight who's dropped away, and it's Quercus Rober the leader at the furlong marker. This race was pretty rough at the 2 pole, but Quercus Rober has got a 2-length advantage. Edward the Ninth is the one trying to close the gap. Quercus Rober, Edward the Ninth is closing. It's Quercus Rober who needs the line and gets there. Quercus Rober holds on from Edward the Ninth. They're clear of Balea River, who's in turn clear of both Jedi Knight and Cold Henry.